Fundamental rights are the basic rights guaranteed to every citizen under the Constitution of India. They are called fundamental because they are essential for living a life of dignity, equality, and freedom. These rights are protected under Part 3 of the Constitution from Articles 12 to 35. Fundamental rights protect individuals from arbitrary actions of the government. They ensure that every citizen is treated fairly and equally under the law. There are 6 main fundamental rights in India. First is the right to equality. This ensures that all citizens are equal before the law and prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Second is the right to freedom. This includes freedoms such as speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. However, these freedoms are subject to reasonable restrictions for public order and national security. Third is the right against exploitation. This prohibits human trafficking, forced labor, and child labor in hazardous industries. Fourth is the right to freedom of religion. It allows citizens to freely practice, profess, and propagate their religion subject to public order and morality. Fifth is cultural and educational rights. These protect the rights of minorities to preserve their culture and establish educational institutions. Sixth is the right to constitutional remedies. This is often called the heart and soul of the Constitution because it allows citizens to approach the High Court or Supreme Court if their fundamental rights are violated. Fundamental rights are not absolute. They come with reasonable restrictions to maintain balance in society. At the same time, they form the backbone of Indian democracy. They protect citizens from misuse of power and uphold the rule of law. Understanding fundamental rights helps you recognize when your rights are being violated and how you can seek legal protection. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.